Welcome back to Stats Skin Hub. I'm Dr. Asha Jindal. Today, I will discuss an important concept of weight case option in Jamovi, which is extremely important when working with aggregated data. I will explain both the theory and practical application using Jamovi and the Titanic dataset. By the end of this session, you should be able to understand what weight case is, why it is necessary, and how does it influence statistical analysis. I will also connect this concept to real world statistical application. Let me begin with a very simple question. Do all observations represent a single individual? In many datasets, spatially summarized or grouped data, one row represents multiple individuals. Therefore, we need a way to account for this grouping. In this context, we are dealing with frequency weights, where each weight represents the number of individuals corresponding to a row. So, the total number of observations is not the number of rows, but the sum of all weights. This gives us the weighted count, which reflects the true dataset size. Further, proportions are calculated as the weight of a category divided by the total weight. It is important to note that expressions like summation of WIXI are used in weighted means, not in simple frequency counts. Here, weights themselves act as a frequencies. Next, I'm going to explain you step by step how to apply weight case option in Jamovi. First, you ensure that there is a frequency column in your dataset or numeric weight column. Then click the Data tab at the top of the Jamovi. Click the Weight Cases option in the data ribbon. Then choose your frequency variable. Now Jamovi do the logical expansion of dataset automatically. Let me demonstrate it through the Titanic dataset. This thing. I will click on Start button, click on Jamovi icon, click on Hamburger menu to open the dataset. Open, go to the data library, then type famous Titanic dataset. I have just typed few letters and this dataset name has appeared. Click on it. The Titanic dataset in Jamovi is aggregated. Each row represents a group of passengers and the frequency variable, which indicate how many individuals belong to that group. The frequency variable is the weight variable. Without applying it, each row is incorrectly treated as a single observation. Let me run the analysis. On Analysis tab, Exploration, in that descriptives, I will write down the variables, let's say sex, age, survived. I have written and I'm making frequency table. Clicking on frequency table. 16 female, 16 males are there. In case of age, adult are 16, child are 16. Frequency of survived, no, 16, and yes is also 16. So here what been happened that I have run the analysis without weights. Each row is counted once, leading to incorrect totals and misleading conclusions. Now I'm applying weight case in Jamovi. For that I'm going to data, click on weights, So my weight variable is frequency. I have applied. And now if I'm carrying out same analysis, descriptives, my variable, all three variables, same variables I'm choosing it. Sex, age, survived. And click on frequency table. Just see. Earlier, everything was 16, 16. Now count has been changed. Female is 470, males are 1731. In frequencies of age, adults 2092, child 109. And frequencies of survived, no one survived 1490, whereas total survived are 711. So after applying weights, the results reflect actual data distribution, giving correct counts and proportion of passengers of this data set. So weighted frequencies provide the true survival distribution of passengers. Now let me take you to one more example where I'm creating a cross tab. I'm taking revived as rows, gender or sex as columns. Check the contingency tables where the data is weighted by the variable's frequency, and under the contingency table, you could see that higher survival rate among females exist compared to males. These findings align with historical accounts validating our analysis. If you want to remove weights, then you go to the again data tab, click on weight, let go back, and you could see that difference. So you can remove the weight variable like this. Now, even on the top of the result, nothing is written about the case in Jammu. Let me go back to my presentation. Weights are widely used in survey sampling, group data analysis, census data, market research, and official statistics. Whenever data is aggregated or sampled, weights are essential. Common mistakes includes ignoring weights, choosing the wrong variable S, and misinterpreting unweighted output. These errors can significantly affect conclusions. We distinguish between frequency weights and sampling weights. We primarily supports frequency weights. I encourage you to perform analysis with and without weights and compare the results for better understanding. Weight case is essential for valid analysis of aggregated data. Ignoring them leads to incorrect conclusions. Thank you. Happy learning.